జెడ్పీహెచ్ఎస్ నరహరిపురం చాపాడు మండల్ కడప జిల్లా పాఠశాల ప్రధానోపాధ్యాయులు శ్రీ కె లక్ష్మీ నరసింహ శాస్త్రి గారి ఆధ్వర్యంలో సాధారణ విద్యార్థులు అసాధారణ ప్రతిభ కనబరుస్తున్నారు.
We are students of 8th class in ZPHS Naraharipuram, Chapadu Mandal, Kadapa district. Learn a word a day. My name is V. Subbalakshmi. January 2. Reflect. 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 Pratibhimbinchu. The king's face reflect in water. My name is K. Chandana. January 3. The word is transparent. TRANSPARENT. Paradarshakanga. Usage. Government is working transparently. My name is B. Lahari. January 4. The word is dispose. 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 Paraveyu. I dispose my old cycle. My name is J. Krupavati. The word is caution. 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 Jagrata. People should exercise caution. My name is B. Sivanageshwari. January 6. The word is adopt. ADAPT. Adopt. Swikarinchu. Usage. She has adopted herself to college life.
My name is N.O. Bless. Today's word is considered. CONSIDERED. Pariganinchu. Our HMs are considered our request.
My name is K. Mahesh. The word is rational. 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 Hetubadhamaina. Usage. He was too upset to be rational.
My name is N. Dilokardhan Reddy. Today's learn our day. Perceive. PRCIVE. Grahimchu. How do you perceive your new role?
My name is Vishnuvardhan. 22 January. The word is pedestrian. PEDESTRAIN. Pedestrian. Padacharulu. This is the way for pedestrians.
My name is Charan. Today's my word is graphics. 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 The director used graphics in these movies. Thanks for watching.